Hey guys, another day, another reselling Q&A. Here we go. I need to get back to making videos. I'm slacking. Yeah, I'm slacking. Oh my gosh, can I just tell you what happened recently? Why I've been slacking? We've been so busy. Where are the freaking questions? They're here somewhere. So anyway, we had a tropical storm by the name of friggin' Elsa, like come near us, around us, to us, kinda. It wasn't like as bad as people got it down south, but you know, we still had a lot of rain and we had some shingles blow off our roof, so that wasn't good. My son's friggin' ceiling ended up collapsing, water everywhere. Thank God it happened when we were home and like awake and not when he was like sleeping. Like it was right above where he has all his like computer equipment. Like he loves gaming, so he's got a lot of, you know, expensive computer shit. So thank God none of that got ruined. But yeah, we're currently in the process of getting that fixed. We're looking for a contractor to literally like rebuild the wall and the ceiling. Then we need someone to get the floors, and then we need someone to do the roof. Been kind of busy with that. First question, just wondering, is the max weight Posh allows 10 pounds? I assume you pay out of pocket for the coverage, no, for the overage. But what if someone opens a case and returns everything? Won't the customer have to pay out of pocket as well? Or do you have them make two separate bundle purchases and offer free shipping on the second one? LOL, why am I asking this? I've never sold anything over 6 pounds and probably never will. You're funny, Michelle. So if you guys didn't know, I recently mentioned in a video that I sold my biggest bundle ever, which was 37 things. Insane, I know. So the way I did it was, she brings a good point. I actually never thought about that. But the way I did it was everything went in one box and I paid the difference. She did tell me that sometimes if you go over the weight, especially with like prepaid accounts like Poshmark, then they'll just charge Poshmark the additional for the postage. It does make sense. It is smarter to split it up. But yeah, I didn't do that. And then when you said like, oh, if they return it, I never even thought about that. You know, if somebody wants to return a bundle, because when you do bundle returns, you have to return everything. So yeah, I don't know how that would work. Poshmark would send them a label, but the label would only be, yeah, I don't know. That would be tricky. I never thought about that. I don't know. I'm actually going to do a whole video talking about bundles and how I get people to make bundles, because I've had pretty good success. Like I said, my biggest bundle was 37 things. Then I've sold 2 other big bundles of 25 things and 26 things. Like I've sold some decent sized bundles. So yeah, look at that video soon talking all about bundles and how to do it. Okay, next question. Hi Vanessa, I asked the question about Poshmark sharing tool versus new bulk sharing on Poshmark. When using Poshmark's new bulk sharing, the photos have the description of one item 1 or 2 places away, i.e. it'll be sharing a top, let's say, but when you look at the title and description, it's not from the top. For say a pair of jeans that a listing away from the top. Wait, what? Hold on. Somebody commented, my Posh bulk sharing does that every time too, but it always shows the correct item. Seems like it's just a lag or a glitch. So I guess you're saying that when you're sharing things, when you're using Poshmark's bulk sharing feature, the descriptions aren't matching up with the listings. I've never seen that. That's never happened to me. I don't know. Maybe it's a glitch, but this person said that it's happening to them too. So I don't know, Sandy. I don't know. All right, next question. Hello, thank you for your videos. You're welcome, Ashley. Thanks for watching. I was wondering on Poshmark where, oh, my mom's calling me. Yep, you're gonna have to wait because you didn't answer my call when I called you, so you're gonna have to wait. Okay, thank you for your videos. I was just wondering on Poshmark, what does it mean when there's a star after your name? Thank you, Ashley. So Poshmark just announced this awesome new thing where when you're a Poshmark ambassador, you get a star next to your name. And you get the words Posh Ambassador like underneath your name. Like, whoa, Poshmark. That's like crazy. So there's my closet, and see the star after keeping it rad. Wow. If you go to my About Me page, it says Posh Ambassador. Whoa. So yeah, that's a new little thing that they released recently. I mean, it's cool, I guess, but I'm not like, oh my gosh, yes, I got a star, yes. I saw a meme where somebody was like, they can't even center the star. Like the star isn't centered, and now that's all I see when I look at it is the star not being centered. It's funny. Last question. Hey Vanessa, I love your videos so much. I would love to meet you in real life. Are you going to Posh Fest? Poshmark recently announced Posh Fest. It is in October in Orlando, Florida. If it wasn't a pandemic, 100% we would be going. We actually had a Disney World trip planned for last summer of 2020. The whole family was gonna go. Oh my gosh, it was gonna be so much fun, but obviously we had to cancel. So yeah, so if there wasn't a pandemic, we for sure would be going, but I don't know. I'm still nervous about going on vacation and going places, and I don't know. It's so funny because I still wear a mask when I go to a store, and people are like staring at me like, oh my God. I know they're like thinking in their head like, oh my God, that girl's still wearing a mask. Like, oh my God. So to answer your question, no, I won't be attending in person. I'm hoping like maybe next year they can come like a little bit closer to me, like maybe New York. That would be great. My mom is calling me again. Yeah, that would be great if they could come a little bit closer. And I don't know yet whether or not I'm going to attend virtually. The tickets to attend virtually, I think without the swag bag is $40. And then if you want the swag bag, it's $80. So I don't know. I know it's a tax write-off, but PoshFest, like virtual PoshFest last year, I really got, well, I can't say nothing out of it. I did learn like a couple things, but I don't know. And the ticket last year was only $25. So I don't know. If it's anything like last year, it's not going to be worth paying $40 or even $80 for the swag bag. Like not at all. So yeah, so I'm undecided as to whether or not I'm going to attend virtually. I don't know. Comment down below and let me know what your thoughts are, if you're going to attend, if you're going to go in person. I know a lot of people that I follow are going in person, but I'm just, I don't know, not comfortable doing that yet. I don't know. All right, so that is it for this video. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below. Send me a DM on Instagram or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is KeepinItRad. You get a $10 credit and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.